Hey guys, Loudon here from Meribook. In this video, let's discuss your personal profile and how you can update it and where it gets displayed for the other users. So right now I'm logged in. If I go over to one of my books, you'll notice that there are a couple of users that are displayed over here. So uh, this icon here is my icon, and then this is another user that has some access to this book. So you'll notice the profile there. That's one place you're going to notice it. And then the other place is if you go to shared with me, if there were any books shared here, you will see the user's profile, just like that icon you saw there. Third place is my subscription. Again, whoever you have subscribed to, whichever book you have subscribed to, their profile will display over here. So if I were to click here, this goes to that user's profile. As you can see, this user has a bunch of public books that you can browse through. So I can go review this one here and see what it's all about. Which brings me to the last part, which is the browse books option. Here are all the public books. And again, you can click on any one of these and you'll notice that the profile link is shown over here. So you can click on that and again get to that profile. And this here is your custom URL. And you'll notice that up on top, you'll see that this is also used in the custom URL for this profile. So now let's go into the profile page of this account. You'll see there's an option to edit your profile. I'm going to click that. Here you can update the banner photo and also the profile image. So you can customize this image with your own. And then you have a brief description area and all your social profiles and also your website link. This is a do follow link so that you can benefit from some SEO as well. So that covers our profile options, and you can see that it's pretty straightforward, and branding wise, you have a lot of options to update to match your brand. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.